In this video, I'll show you how to send super hearts on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on any story that you want to view. When the story opens, look toward the bottom of the screen where you'll see the heart icon. If you have access to the super heart feature, simply tap and hold the heart icon. As you continue holding it down, you'll notice the heart animation getting larger and multiple hearts being sent to the story. You can keep holding for a few moments to send more super hearts and show extra appreciation for the content. Keep in mind that super hearts are a premium feature, available through Instagram Plus. If you don't see the super heart option when viewing stories, it's likely because you haven't subscribed to Instagram Plus yet. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can send super hearts on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide.